Bamwe abantu ba burijo mu district nka Kasese, Kabarore, Ntoroko hamwe na Bundu Bujo okusyana hati bakine ntekereza ngu omwana yasimye ya 13 no kweyongerayo aine kuba nazo mu bushwere kandi ekiye kurigirira habitongore bitari bya government kitumira abana bato bagumana bagirenda.
Actually, it is contributing to teenage pregnancy because people still take it as more holding tradition. When the child is 16 years old, or maybe when the child starts her menstruation period, she's grown up. This child needs to get married. This child, now parents start looking at this child as a source of income. You even hear say, akasukari is growing. There is mercury in this child. So, the more we put that in our minds, the more our parents think, take these girls as source of income, take these girls as source of money, source of everything.
For example, if a girl is 15 years and above, they feel this girl is ready to get married. So that culture is within their cultures in those areas, and you find most of the girls are married in those areas. And also these people like goats so much. If you are able to give a goat to a family, then you are good to go. They give you their daughter.
Echo kureberaho mwishyogo butwa kubizina rya Kabugo aha myaka 16 yo bukuru akija yagirenda bwanyuma yo kurwo mu ishomero.
Amawateka abahambo n'amabungeyi tato muruga kolacha kaayira amabanyira n'amanganikere nasanyenganikere wayi beto ngalangeresa n'emibere abakanyambiramu n'emibere mebikali.
Embozi ya Kabugo tene ntanisone ndijo mwishiki utwa kubizina rya Abori aha myaka 17 yo bukuru abora katweko mushija w'imyaka 30 yo bukuru kandi umuvuji wa taxi
azarumana kabanisoma isejja ya kwekenda enda yuka yaboraho antoange yasera yabora biteka pooriisi isejja yabora na sazi nazarumana mwana tena uyambi.
Abisha babona bashatu kishanjure ngu bakagezaho kutwana enshonga ha pooriisi konkatera abahwerire.
Njebanye tweka ingana utimiramuka mama babenye tweka nero kale twamendo ko bulemi ukoma benye tweka chema nikamala twamaikaye twamaenda na bapolisi kale nero manga.
Ebihandiko kurwo mu kitongore cha Girls Not Brides Uganda ekiri kukoragana n'aba Joy for Children nibyoreka 40% y'abicha b'emyaka 17 no kuza hansi ne bajemwa kuzo mu bushwere.
In 1 month they registered 200 cases of teenage pregnancies, and these are the reported ones. Majority of the cases happen and are never reported. When we come to the Agacencwire municipality in town here, when we approached the CDO's office
for that effort. And then the defilement cases that out of the 331 defilement cases, only 178 are before court.
Echanga cha Albertine region nicho chatungire mishango mingi yo kutoroboza kiri kutunga mishango eri kwingana 204 kiri kuraturwa Kampala n'emyanya giherire n'emishango 202 kandi cyo echanga cha Rwenzori West kikizo mwanya gwa kashatu n'emishango 228. Gasha kwa Agacencwire.